Hey good peoples, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make some blinged out rhinestone socks. So what you need is a pair of white socks, or you can just get color socks, but I got white socks and I dyed mine this tan color right here from Ritz. Then you go on and get yourself some bling. I got these button rhinestone, blinged out rhinestone from Hobby Lobby. Then you just start to hand sew the buttons onto your socks, and I use this cup just to keep the sock open, and then you just hand sew it. Then after I hand sewed the buttons on, I had like some little gems, and I glued those on with some E6000 glue. Then I had some gold pins, and I just pinned them to the socks, y'all. And that was about it. You can do any color you like. They have all kinds of different color buttons. So now let's style the socks. So this is the look that I came up with to go with my fancy blinged out socks. So I wanted to go for more like a preppy but still cute girly type of look. So that's why I put some brooches that kind of match my socks. And then I paired it with a collar shirt and a tie to give it a preppy look, but still kind of girly because I tied the tie in a bow. Then I just added, these just some readers or something, y'all. I added, and to give it a more like I just throwed it on type of look, I packed one side in, one side of my button up in, and then let the other side hang, give it a little look like I just throwed this on, but I'm still cute. So, and then I paired it with my, what you call this color, like a orangey, coral type of dunks. And yeah, I think it just tied everything in, y'all. When I actually dyed the socks, I dyed it like a tan color, but they came out more like a peachy color. So when I seen it, I was like, they kind of the same color my shoes, so I was gonna go with that. I was gonna style it with some heels, but once I seen the color of the socks that matched my shoe, I was like, well, maybe, you know, they got all the gems and the sparkly brooches, buttons and stuff on. Let me style it in a girly, preppy type of look. And I think it turned out cute. And yeah, these sweatpants, y'all forgot where I got these sweatpants, but they are Champions, and got the shirt from the thrift store, and the ties came from my husband's closet, and the dunks, I think I got them from Nike.com. And then I just put my hair up into a ball, added some gold jewelry to tie in the look with the gold in my brooches, and tied the brooches to give it a sparkle look up top, and that's the look I came up with. And y'all, I got this idea to tie my earring, y'all. Hold on. Yeah, I got this idea to tie the ties like this from I don't know if she have a YouTube. I know she has an Instagram and a TikTok, and her name is Benjamin. I think I'm saying it right. Holmes. So I put her name somewhere on the screen. Yeah. This is how she tied her tie, and I thought it was so cute. And I said, let me try it. But yeah, it turned out cute. But yeah, if y'all want to know how to tie ties in different kind of ways, she the one to go to. But what y'all think? I think it turned out really cute. And this is so me because it's still cute and girly, but it's comfortable. Because you wear your sweats with your button up. And it's still a look, y'all. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.